Hello. Today we will draw a jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Let's start with a circular shape. The circle doesn't have to be perfect. Jellyfishes are very wobbly. Now this type of curve. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Go here and join. Now jellyfish has tentacles. Let's draw big S-shaped curves any way you like. They don't have to be identical. So you can start from the bottom and join all the way up. And many more. They can be squiggly lines as well. Now let's draw two cute little eyes. Another circle inside. Fill it up. Similar eye on the other side. Another small circle. Fill it up. And now let's make a big smile. And another small squiggle on top. If you want to make it a little better, you can draw small circles down at the bottom. This is your jellyfish. How do we make the letter J? First, we start with a sleepy line and the standing line, which curves at the bottom. So go down and curve. This is the letter J. J is for jellyfish. Excellent work. See you in the next one.